Spotting the first few strands of grey hair can be quite a nightmare for some of us, but you'd be surprised that greying in your 20s is actually as common as frizz or dandruff. All the negative talk around premature greying has led to the birth of some of the weirdest myths we've heard so far. So today you and I are going to debunk some of these monsters together. Easily one of the most asked questions is, can grey hair become black again? Unless you use chemical dyes for this purpose, this is not an option. Grey hair isn't reversible. But what you can do instead is work towards preventing further greying and whitening. You should consult your dermat, who will be giving you the right steps to follow to prevent further greying, whether it's through chemical or cosmetic treatment or allopathy. Plucking out grey or white hair is not going to make more white hair grow in its place, because we only have a certain number of hair follicles on our scalp. But what it's going to do instead is cause damage and prevent hair growth, so you need to stop now. If you pluck one, two are going to come into its place is a silly myth. Another myth that we should definitely say goodbye to, because it has no scientific reason whatsoever, is that the sun causes grey or white hair. Constant exposure to the sun can lead to your hair becoming dry, and this makes it more susceptible to heat or damage from hot tools, but that's about it. Let's start with the basics. Your race, ethnicity and genetics play a very important role in determining how late or early you will start getting grey or white hair. If your parents faced greying in their 30s, chances are you're going to have to bear the brunt of it too. Vitamin D, B6, B12 and E, when lacking in your body, can lead to greying. Basically, the lack of these nutrients in your body decreases the pigmentation of your hair and your hair becomes lighter. But this can be easily prevented or stopped by taking the right supplements. This list would be incomplete without the addition of this monster that has a part to play in all of our daily concerns when it comes to our health and well-being. Research has found that cells that are responsible for hair color can deplete due to stress, and this can lead to greying over a long period of time. Concerns such as autoimmune disease, thyroid dysfunction or anemia can lead to grey or white hair at an early stage. If you have immense hair fall or a sudden increase in white hair, you should definitely get yourself checked for alopecia, which is the skin condition that causes this but can easily be curbed with medication. Lastly, studies show that smokers are 2.5 times more likely to start greying in their early 30s because of this addictive habit, so try getting rid of it. When it comes to grey or white hair, there are a few natural ingredients that have made it to the top of my list as strong contenders in fighting this hair concern. A natural cleanser, shikakai, is not only used for greying, but also other hair concerns such as dull hair, hair loss, and dandruff. It nourishes the hair follicle that leads to the fast growth of new hair that is both young and black. It soothes the scalp and also leaves behind a beautiful shiny mane. One of the best cleansers for your hair and a staple in almost every hair care routine, Amla makes sure it keeps your hair follicles strengthened and also leads to longer, stronger hair while preventing premature greying as well. It also contains a natural dye that slightly helps to cover up grays without causing any harm to your beautiful locks. A unique offering of this vegetable is that it has an enzyme called catalase in it that darkens the hair and effectively controls greying or white hair. It also promotes new hair growth, adds bounce and a stunning shine to your hair. We hope this answers some of your most common questions regarding greying, as we've tried to cover myths, remedies and causes in this video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.